Hi guys, this is Miss Lisa at the Harney County Library. This week, summer reading program is bugs. You know how much I love bugs. So we have a few things going on. Not only will you come and pick up a kit, but if you come into the library, you'll see these little types of bees papers on the table. And if you tiptoe around the library very quietly, you can find all these bees hidden all over the library. Don't take them down though, just find them. So that's one thing that we're gonna do. So we're gonna have a roly-poly farm this year. And so right now we're waiting for our chia to grow in the bottom of this container. And our roly-polies are actually in the mail. And of course we can't just have regular roly-polies. We're going to have orange smoothie roly-polies. These are pictures of orange smoothie roly-polies, except that they're only a ½ inch big in real life. But I thought maybe you'd like to see them. I've never seen an orange roly-poly before, ever. Okay, then another thing we're gonna do is we're gonna have Madagascar Hissing Cockroach Adoption Day. And everybody remembers these guys, right? These are my little friends. Anyway, let me see if I can get him to hiss. Listen real quiet. Do it. Anyway, if you guys would like to adopt a couple of these, or 3 or 5, just have your mom call the Harney County Library, 541-573-6670, and leave a message that you can have some, and then I will pack them up in a little habitat and drop them off at the library so you can adopt some Madagascar hissing cockroaches. That one's very noisy. Okay. And then, of course, I brought all of my Bugs and Polymer bug collection so that you can have a look at them. And then here, and these will be out on display at the library, and you can come in and you can touch them and look at them. And then here is your bug kit this year. And there's of course a bug jar with breather holes. And this year we have a butterfly net. And then we have this cute little bumblebee craft. Anyway, I hope you're all reading. I hope you're all enjoying my crafts. And that's all. Thanks. Bye.